Hey guys, welcome to Parts of Oases, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, recently I got a small bruise, but it's healing. Here it is. And it got me thinking, when you're traveling, you need a first aid kit. What do you usually carry? Here are some few things, some tips of what you can carry. Firstly, remember to carry some water to stay dehydrated. Secondly, remember to carry some salt, because salt, if you get a bruise, you sprinkle some salt, it helps in the healing process and it stops the bleeding. Then also, to avoid motion sickness, getting car sick, you can carry some mint. And the mint, if they're cough drops, they can also help when you're having a cold. Also, if you're on medication, remember to carry a medication. You can carry some bandages, some few bandages and elastoplast, and some antiseptic wipes. And also you can carry some insect repellent, especially depending on where you're traveling. Well, there's so many things to carry. If you think of any others, maybe you can check out also with the chemist, especially if you're traveling to a new place and you're very not sure of what you might need in case of emergency. For this and more details, check out my website, partsofoases.com. Until next time.